Good morning, you guys. Welcome to My Future Success. Guys, we are about 21 seconds away to getting a buy signal here that I want to take with you guys and show you exactly how I'm going to manage this position myself. So let's do this together, trading here live with our accounts. I'm going to show you exactly where this is going to happen and exactly where my stop loss, take profit, and everything is going to be on this trade. Now let's go ahead and do this together. 2, 1, and enter. Guys, I want to get in right here. I've entered the market. Our stop loss is at the candle bottom of this, right? Where's our entry? Right around this area here. Let's do 2425. 2425 is right about there. Now our take profit, what are we gonna do? We're just gonna double this length and get really close to this. So right around this area right here. So if at any point price action comes up and hits near this area, I'm gonna look at closing out this position over here on the DOM. Now, why am I looking at this? Well, this is actually the first triple G that ended up happening on this chart. So we switched over from red to green, right? The white dot is our entry, stop loss, and take profit is doubled up. Same thing just happened. You guys, everyone with these metrics, I'm not kidding. This one right here, entry, stop loss, take profit. It ended up hitting, So over here, I don't want to mess this up too much, but this length, take a look at this. Take this length of 18 points and go down, 18.25. It hit the target right afterwards. In an overall trend like this, when you're getting your background switching over, this is how you can capitalize on points like this. So this is over here trading with 5 micros on each of these accounts. These are the 50K accounts that I'm trying to show you guys here live to actually pass and to see if we can get to 550K accounts. Now, what I'm looking at with this, as long as we stay here above, if it comes down and hits my stop loss, I am out of this trade. I'm out of it. When I do my one-on-one trainings, I say, you guys, a stop loss that is hit is okay. It just means the market is reversing, and that's when we want to look to reversing our own trades, So that is something where we don't want to fight. Think of it like this, you guys, if bulls and bears are running at you, it's like, oh shoot, everyone's running at me. Now, if you're on the backs of the bulls and the bears, how much more fun is trading with that? And that's where this is so important. Look at this dashboard. 1 minute is all green. 2 minute is primarily all green. 5 minute is primarily all green. This is showing you the background color, the current candle color, right? On all these time frames are green. That's a strong bullish sign. The background color, which is this color here, on the 1 minute, 2 minute, and 5 minute is all green, right? And the profit wave, this is the profit wave. When this is green, this is where we want to stay within these trades a little bit longer and just hold them and keep going. That means it's green as well. So, and down here, right when this candle got illuminated, this triple G, triple green, 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 and money momentum was shifting into the market and shifted over to green here as well. That is what I like to look as a quality trade to get set up. Now, does it mean all these trades are going to work 100% of the time? No, nothing is 100%. But what I want to do for you guys on here is to show you that if you have a set principle of rules that you go to and you do not deviate from that, the moments I lose on trades is when I go against something that I know that works. The most successful traders that I've ever known and I've had a pleasure to meet are the traders that just do the same thing over and over and over again and they don't deviate from anything. Those are the ones that are the most successful. And just like this, in a trade like here, can this come down and hit my stop loss and I got to get out of it? Very possible. You know what? And I'm going to have to just show you guys right here. If this comes down and hits this, I'm going to close it out. And a little bit more, done, closed out. I have to close it. Did that one work? No. That's all right. Let's see where that is. That actually lost me 172. Let's just stay here live with you. Let's go through the next one. Let's get this set up. Let's keep this here. Let's bring this down. That one just didn't work. It's okay. It is all okay. So what happens when a trade doesn't work like that? It just means it has a different direction that the market wants to go. So it's all right. And this is why I love showing you guys this. It's like, if I can't stick to these principles myself and have an entry, take profit, and a stop loss, and if it hits my stop, this was our stop loss here. Price action's now at this point. So why would we hold it any longer? So this is where I like to do these videos. And now setting up this one here. What do we have? 58 seconds left. Well, you know what? Guess what I'm going to do? If this signal right here ends up illuminating, stays as a strong bearish candle, then I'm going to be looking to go short on this position. And that's going to be it. And where are we going to put this? Let's just already mock it up. My stop loss is going to be right here, right? We've got 39 seconds left. We're going to do this together. We'll have our take profit, which will probably somewhere close to down here. And our entry, we'll go ahead and see right at candle closes here in 30 seconds. We'll go ahead and enter the market over here and see exactly what happens. If this candle comes up and has a wick on the top or the bottom, it's an invalid trade. And that's okay. So let's play this next triple R movement here. We have 16 seconds left, 15 seconds. Guys, count it down with me. When we get to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I'll literally do this together with you guys here. So you have 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and enter. Okay, I am entered into that trade. That is right at this area. Where is our take profit? It's going to be right around this area, doing a 1-to-1. How are we doing on this trade? Okay, now this one's currently up right now. All we've got to do is come down and hit this area. Let's get an exact amount here. 22,00150. 20,00150. So right about there. Oops, a little bit more. There we go. So stop loss. Where do I want my stop loss? Right here. So 18. Let's go 19. So 19 has to come right down to about right here. So 19. Okay. There we go. Again, that is going to be a 1-to-1. 1-to-1 risk to reward. Guys, if I come on here and it loses a couple trades back to back, it's okay if we lose one and win one. Now, if you lose one and win one, that is where I want you guys to think of it as a winning day. You know, a break-even day for me is a winning day. The moment I go for a trade that is literally just a little bit more and I try to just get $100 more in that account, how many times have we all done that and it actually goes the opposite direction? You know, that is where we just have to be diligent with our trading and just follow principles. You know, I'd rather be the person that comes on here and follows everything to a T from start to finish to show you guys, can you actually pass these prop firm accounts using a strategy like this? And you know what, if for some reason it doesn't work and it's some part of a choppy market, it's okay. I'm going to go back to the drawing board, make these metrics even better, and you're all going to get the upgrade for free. So there is literally a no lose, a lose, a no win. I don't know how it goes. You guys know what I'm talking about. There's no way to lose with something like this because I will just keep developing and making this better and better and better. So I want to keep an eye on this over here. But I will tell you guys, if you haven't done so already, I want you guys to head over to My Future Success. It'll keep it live over here so you guys see the price. This will give you lifetime access to all these metrics that I'm doing. You can join in the 550K prop firm account challenges that I'm doing right now to see if we can pass all of them. Once we get to 5 accounts, I'm then just going to go over $200 a day, which is $1,000 a day profit. Take a look at just a couple people that have already passed this. You know, one-on-one trainings. If you guys want to sit down and do one-on-one trainings with me, I would love to do that with you. Seriously, I will sit down, go over exactly what I do from start to finish to show you exactly the methods that I'm doing that have helped out. And when you're here, take a look at, of course, the 5-star ratings that have come through of just so many amazing people that are seeing great results with these metrics already. But you guys, let's head back over here to the charts, see what's happening here. Gosh, are we going to actually get a 2 for 2 losing trades on here? You know, it could happen, you know, and that is just sometimes, you know, the reality of the game. It's the way the cookie crumbles, as I say, you know. And honestly, would this be the first double losing trades that I've actually ever done here on YouTube? You know, yeah, this would actually be the first 2 that I've ever actually had. You know, I really want to see this come down and push lower, and I'd love to see this hit this target and get closer to about a break even for the day. I'd be really happy with that. But you know, let's just stay here and see exactly what happens. We've already got our stop loss set. We've already got our take profit. Everything is already predetermined. Now, could you set this up as an ATM strategy with just doing one account? Yes, you absolutely could. Trading with multiple accounts here on Tradovate. You guys, I use Take Profit Trader. It is literally the best prop firm account I have ever experienced. Withdrawals happen in 15 seconds to your bank account. I'm not kidding. I didn't believe it until I actually did it myself. And I actually show my one-on-one people when I do trainings, I show them my bank account, or not accounts, but my actual prop firm accounts like this, and to show them how accurate it is. And it's pretty amazing. But I just want to be on here, give you guys the best education. And you know, sometimes you lose trades, you know, like this morning. Yesterday, actually lost the first trade, won the second trade. Second trade did really well. This morning, I've lost the first one here that you guys have seen. And you know what? If it loses the second one back to back, it's okay. I'd rather show you guys good risk management. Honestly, I'm not here to say, hey, I'm going to make $1 million off of trading. I'd rather be here to show you guys, hey, let's work a strategy together to see what actually works and doesn't work and try to make these metrics even better and better. That is my goal. That is my 100% goal here with you guys. All right. Big impulse, a little bit of consolidation, and then now this is where I would love to see this just drop down. And you know, if it doesn't drop down and it comes up, hits our stop loss again here, it's okay. It is totally okay. And you know what? It looks like I might have to do another stop out here too. I'm going to keep my cursor over here. You guys are going to see it live. Literally, I am not the person he was just going to keep holding this and then move a stop. There we go. I got to hit it. If it's going to cross, if it crosses over, I have to close it. I have to close it. There you go. All right. 2 for 2. 2 for 2 not winning, 2 for 2 losing. Guys, that sometimes just happens. It just happens sometimes. Guys, I am down on the day. Let's look. 357. Okay. I'm down on the day. Lost those 2 trades. Does it happen? Yes, it happens. It's okay. This month, let's see where we're at so far. 10 winning trades. 10 total trades, 7 winning, 3 losses. You know, these are the 3 losses that 2 today, 1 yesterday, up $1,400. So you guys, this is reality. This is trading sometimes, and it's okay. A lot of people are going to send me emails and be like, hey, Justin, guess what? I made a bunch of money today. You know what? Congratulations. It's totally okay. It's all right. So like this one here, you know, let's just recap this. You know, this was the first triple G. Did it work out? No. This is the first triple R. Did it work out? No. Could you check in the entry in back on this one because we're now making a higher high right here, right? And could price action come all the way up? You know, very possible. Very, very possible. You know, if this stays here, what do we have? 17 seconds left. We got bullish, bullish, bullish. What were you going to do? Guess what? Where's our stop loss? Right here. Where's our take profit? Up here. We have, what is it, 4 seconds left? Guess what? Is it going to be an invalid trade? Invalid trade. Background. Switch over. Actually, the last very second, it ended up switching over. So you know what, you guys? I'm actually going to call it a day. I cannot take that third trade because you know why? It's going to go against everything that I actually go over my one-on-one training. And what do I do in my one-on-one training? Everyone who, excuse me, everyone who does one-on-one trainings with me, what do I say? If you have a losing trade and a winning trade, break even, you quit. If you have a losing trade and a losing trade, what do? You quit. That is it. If I don't follow those principles myself, I cannot teach this and be a mentor to so many people. Guys, overall, we are still up on this account, really excited. But you know what? This morning was just one of those mornings where I hope you can just see sometimes it doesn't work. And you know, the 2 trades that I got just didn't work. You know, did this trade hit and hit profit target? Yes. Did this hit? Yes. Did this hit? Yes. You know, it was just a couple ones that I ended up going for. You know, another example here, triple G, triple R. Did this one end up hitting? You know, close to stop loss, but ended up going through. You know, it's okay. Sometimes we're just going to have those trades that just don't work. So you guys, you saw it here live. You know, not every day is sunshine and rainbows, but you know what? Majority of the days are going to be. And that's what I'm so excited about because guess what? We have a couple more days in this week, Thursday and Friday, that I'm so excited to get back on here to show you education, to see exactly what ends up panning out. Thank you guys so much for following this channel. I wish it was going to be a better day, but you know what? Everyone who ended up making money today, leave a comment below. I want to see how you guys did. Take care.